Hi, my name's Rod, and this is my 1988 Z31 300ZX Californian Widebody. Well, the reason why these were called the Z31 Californian because they were actually built in America, and they're a factory widebody, and they were only sold in America, Canada and Australia, and they were imported here in 1988, and they never ever sold many of them here in Australia at all. This car was actually built in 88 in America to compete against the Corvette Stingray. The engine is a VG30 single turbo, but it's a W engine block, which they have bigger water jackets in them. The front seats, I bought the new leather in America. Then I had a motor trimmer here on the Gold Coast who's an excellent motor trimmer named Ron Bruce, big plug for Ronnie. And he fitted all the new leather on the front seats for me. The back seats I haven't touched because there was nothing wrong with them at all. I left the original rims on it because they're still in perfect condition. There's not a mark on them, and I didn't want to change them because then the car loses its originality. I probably drive it maybe 3 or 4 times a month. I don't drive it much at all. The engines, since I've rebuilt this engine, which I photographed every stage of it, is only done 2,200 kilometres. All the suspension was rebuilt, all the brakes were taken off, and all the calipers were overhauled. The fuel pump was dropped out. The new fuel pump was fitted. We went right over the whole car from front to back. Yeah, about 8-9 months ago, Unique Car Buyers magazine came out and did about a 5-page photo shoot and editorial on it because even they hadn't seen one. Yeah, it was pretty amazing. Yeah, the only thing I've got to get done on it now is because the paint is original age, 36 years old, I've got to get it resprayed. But apart from that, there's hardly got any rust, and underneath the car is absolutely spotless. Anyone who wants to buy an old car like this, you have to make really sure that it's a matching number car, because as I've said before, this is a W engine block. And if something happened to this engine block where you'd done a bearing and threw a column through the block, you can't buy one because they don't make them. So yeah, any old car or motorbike, you've got to make sure they're matching engine numbers, because collectors won't buy cars that aren't matching engine and chassis number.